What is a circuit breaker? In the stock market, a circuit breaker is like an emergency pause button. If prices start falling too quickly, the market can temporarily halt trading to give investors time to breathe, process information, and hopefully prevent panic from spiraling. It's called a circuit breaker because it works a bit like the one in your home's fuse box. When the system is overloaded, it shuts things down before damage spreads. Circuit breakers were first introduced after the 1987 stock market crash, also known as Black Monday, when the Dow Jones index fell more than 20% in a single day. Regulators realized markets needed a way to slow down panic selling. Why does it matter? Markets are emotional places. When fear takes over, prices can plummet in minutes, and people may rush to sell simply because everyone else is. Circuit breakers are designed to slow things down, reduce chaos, and remind investors to think before acting. In practical terms, this protects both everyday investors and large institutions from making snap, fear-driven decisions that could cause lasting damage to the economy. And if you're using a trading app, you might sometimes see a message saying, "Trading paused due to circuit breaker." That's exactly what this effectively is, a safety feature, not a glitch. Here's a simple example. Imagine the S&P 500, the index that tracks 500 of America's biggest companies, suddenly drops 7% in one morning. That's huge for an index of such big companies. It doesn't happen very often at all. At this point, a level 1 circuit breaker would automatically pause all trading on the stock exchange for 15 minutes. If, after trading resumes, the market falls even further, say it reaches 13%, a level 2 circuit breaker kicks in, leading to another 15-minute halt. And if the drop reaches 20% in a single day, that's level 3. The market shuts down completely until the next trading day. This doesn't stop prices from falling altogether, but it does give everyone time to take a breath, check the news, and avoid making purely emotional choices that could lead to chaos. What else should you know? Circuit breakers aren't just for the whole market. Individual stocks also have their own limits. If one company's share price swings too wildly in a short space of time, trading in that stock alone can be paused. They're also not unique to the US. Many stock exchanges around the world, in Europe, Asia, and beyond, have similar systems in place. One important thing to clear up, circuit breakers don't prevent losses or artificially hold prices up. They simply slow the pace of trading so investors can react more thoughtfully, instead of getting swept up in rapid panic. Circuit breakers are fairly rare. For example, they were triggered several times in March 2020 during the early stages of the COVID-19 pandemic, but in most years they're never used at all. To sum it all up, a circuit breaker is a built-in safety switch for the stock market. It doesn't stop prices from falling, but it does stop panic from turning into a complete freefall. Think of it as the market taking a quick breather, a way to protect investors from themselves in moments of extreme stress. Thanks for watching this video. Not sure where to go from here? You don't need another video, you need a plan. Grab the free 5-day series below and start investing with confidence. The link's right here on screen and in the description, don't miss out.